real quick. I will be ready to join in the fun. I am live on YouTube. Langster, Theo.Maris, user 668, etc. Where are the holders at? What's up with Doge? Meme coins, they're due. It's been time for meme coins. They've been flat for quite a while. So finally they're going to catch up. I'm a little surprised. You know, I thought maybe meme coins were going to be done for this cycle, but we're back. We're back in action. And I'm actually, for my bear market buying, that very much excites me. I'm going to buy a lot of meme coins. I mean, not a lot, like maybe 5% of my portfolio is going to be meme coins in the bear market. So what's up, Kashi Dai? Adrian, hello. Pow Benavides, hello. Trump Rule 67, Vidmaker, Everardo, Cesar, hello, good morning. Thoughts on VThor short term? I just think the market's going up. I mean, I was thinking about this. If Bitcoin were to go to $100,000 this year, which I think is very likely, and you know, by the end of the year, then that's $500 a day, more than $500 a day that it has to increase. And so everything is going to go up with it. If it goes up to $200,000, that's $1,500 a day, and that can happen. Hello, Eddie. I have a strong feeling we are falling tomorrow. I disagree. So VThor up, but we'll see. You know, somebody on my Twitter said something about how I have a bad feeling right now. Didn't give any reason why he has a bad feeling, but I have a bad feeling. I'm like, I don't care about your feelings. I just don't. Good morning, Clarence. Good morning, Ogdog. Is that Osgod? We go down from here. I don't think so. Bitcoin struggling to stay above 50K. Oh no. I mean, listen, I said this was going to happen. I said just like 40K in late July that we were going to struggle to get through 50K. But once we get through 50K, once we get through 53K, there's no doubt the bears arguments have been put to rest. So hello, Emote Vibe. Hi, Kubo loves crypto. 100K VThor short term. Okay. Thoughts on Shiba Inu? It's pumping. That's all I'll say. I thought it might have been dead. It looks like it's not dead. It's showing signs of life. Great. You know, I'm not upset about that. I'm not a fan of Shiba Inu. I think it's trash, but okay. You know, tell me about October 18th. I'm not worried at all about October 18th. The debt ceiling, they always raise the debt ceiling. Are you kidding me? You know, you think Biden wants to be president when they default on their debt? No, they're going to kick the can down the road. So what do you think of NFTs built on Binance? I haven't looked in a ton, and so I don't know how they're doing. If they're doing well, then great, especially because Binance has much lower fees than on Ethereum. So, all right, again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. Yeah, I have some Shiba. I'm live on YouTube. I'm able to answer every question on YouTube. Head over to my YouTube channel, World War Bitcoin. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'm able to keep up there, but definitely not TikTok. So Newcastle, hello. Biden is trash. I agree. And then, you know, I think he's the worst president of all time. And I think the one following him is going to be even worse, whoever that is. So good morning, Albert. When Shiba rug pull? Well, Shiba's not anywhere near its all-time high. So I think it should at least get back to its all-time high. So I don't think... You know, I don't think, I'm not selling any of my Shiba. You know, I don't have a ton. I have like a few $100 of Shiba. I'm not selling any of it soon. So good morning, Al. I think I already said good morning. You know, people have feelings. Yeah. What's the deal with this vesting with Joe in the AVAX ecosystem? I don't know anything about Joe. And I'm not talking about Joe Biden, but the Joe cryptocurrency. Why do you have some Shiba if you think it's trash, just in case of rockets? Yep. I'll buy coins that I think are trash. I bought SafeMoon. I made a lot of money on SafeMoon, and I am delighted at the fact that SafeMoon is still not really pumping. I hate SafeMoon, and you know what? If you like SafeMoon, there's a lot of people, SafeMoon people, who hate me. So, hello, Bagheer. I am drunk. We're all drunk. Amp. Okay, Amp. When do you think we break through 53K? Soon. This month. So, haha, Luke. Yes. Biden sucks. I mean, Democrats should agree with me that Biden sucks, okay? And you know he wasn't your top choice, that there's probably someone else that you would have rather had other than Biden. But so you can agree with me. It's okay. It's okay to agree with me. He sucks. Is Dogecoin dead? No, Dogecoin's not dead. It's not going to die. So thank you, Renegade Deco. Thank you, J99956, for the roses. Hypothetically speaking, can Shiba hit a penny? No, it's not going to hit a penny. The only way it'll hit a penny is if they have to decide to burn a ton of their supply. Like at least 90% of their supply needs to be burned. But how do you do that? Because people are holding, waiting for it to go to a penny. So SHIB could pump and dump. Yeah, it could. Putting off new investors, maybe orchestrate. I don't know. It's nowhere near its all-time high. So ADA or Matic for the rest of the year. I would say Matic. Top of the morning, have you looked at any of these NFTs? I have some NFTs. I have 2 NFTs. They're not doing well. And I don't know. It's like I still feel like I haven't seen Lossless. No. I still feel like NFTs, it's like I still feel I just don't want to get into like I know I should probably look at like launches of NFTs, but I don't know. It's just not my thing. I'm 40. I'm almost 40. So me and Elio Trades, best crypto in the world. Okay, I'll check out Elio Trades. Thank you. XRP lawsuit. What are your thoughts? I think the XRP. I don't know. Like Bitboy Crypto said it was going to end in September. Here we are, October 5th. It's still going on. Rahul, if you want me to answer your question, hop on over to YouTube. There's no way I can respond to every question here. So on YouTube, I can. World War Bitcoin. Look me up on YouTube. Subscribe to my channel. Best part of my day when you're scrolling through my TikTok and find you live. Thank you, Andrew. Doubled my XRP position. Okay. All right. Bitboy didn't say this September could be next September. No, he said this September. I mean, he might say it could be this next September, but anyway, do you think PancakeSwap and other PooCoin trade platforms will pump after the Shiba pump? Yeah. I mean, I'm a little disappointed. I thought Cake would be pumping right now because of all the meme coins, but it's flat. So, but Cake will be fine. Cake will be fine. So Bitboy is a conspiracy theorist. Yeah, I mean, give me Pablo over Bitboy. All right, no more Pablo. No more Pablo talk. Litecoin close price this month over 200. So what coins do you recommend? Litecoin and Ethereum right now. And all right, Bitcoin is right at $50,000. Cake is Dunsky? I don't think so. Bitcoin's right at $50,000. This is the time where I would say if you want to buy crypto, you should buy for short-term gains, not for long-term. I think we'll see $50,000 in the bear market. I'm scared Shiba's pumping usually means a dump is near. You're basing that off of one time. That was the meme coin season where things went crazy and there was euphoria everywhere, with meme coins. And what else? And I mean, there were obvious signs that the market was bloated. I would not say that there's obvious signs that the market is bloated right now. And watch my most recent TikTok. This is nothing like the bear market, the bull trap of 2018. Let's see, ICP. I'm still not a fan of ICP, but that'll be a good bear market purchase. So, but Trump would have been the worst to stay or nah. No comment. Selling my XRP to get something that has more sure up. Should I ETH or Solana? ETH. Thoughts also where to sell XRP in the US. I mean, I'm assuming you can sell it on Uphold. Where to send 5K now? ETH and Litecoin. We need Bitcoin to hit 53. I think that's a key level. Not only to hit it, but to break through and then turn it into support. I think that's a very key level. Rahul, Internet Computer. I just talked about Internet Computer. I'm not a fan of Internet Computer. They were really shady when they launched, but I mean, fundamentals are solid. So really hope Cake picks up again. It'll pick up with the market, but I'm not expecting anything extraordinary. I mean, if Bitcoin were to 4x from here, I would expect Cake to 4x. Something like that, maybe a little higher. Did you change your prediction on VET? Yeah, I said Bronson, I said 50 cents instead of $1. So what's better, 10K into ETH or 10K into Matic? I would say ETH. You need a good alpha on NFTs. Pudgy Penguins are a solid pick like ETH. If you want something cheaper, also back project checked Holy Cows. Okay. Yeah. Solana prediction is now like $600. I mean, that's not a huge jump. I think it's going to underperform the rest of the way because it's already overperformed, What percentage of your portfolio is Litecoin? Probably 5%. I wish it was more. Will Bitcoin dip again? $500 a day for the rest of the year is how much it needs to gain to get to $100,000, which I think at the very least it's going to get to $100,000. So will it dip again? It could, but we're riding. So LaFleur, I am live on YouTube. And for those of you on TikTok, I can't answer every question on TikTok, but I am able to keep up with the YouTube chat. So hop on over there and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Do you think the 50K mark is a bull trap for beginners leading a dip in the beginning of a bullish run? Not sure. Hello, Mansoor. Bagir, I'm not sure what you're saying. I feel, I hate to say it like this. I feel much more comfortable buying at 53,000 than I do at 50,000. That's just, it's weird like that, but that happens sometimes. Hold XRP, the long-term games will be phenomenal. Excellent. You're welcome. Bronson, thoughts on DOT? I'm very bullish on DOT. I think it's, there's no reason, in my opinion, why it shouldn't perform like Solana has performed. I think DOT will get to $200. Yeah, CVO Crypto got his TikTok banned. That's really frustrating. While talking about XRP, oh man. Oh gosh. Yeah, he's my boy. I love CVO Crypto. He does have a backup channel, and support him. Head on over to CVO Crypto's backup channel. So many sell orders around the 50K level. Don't care. Should I sell my VeChain and buy Polkadot or another crypto? Not necessarily. No. What coins are more attached to Bitcoin success? Like if Bitcoin goes up, which ones follow suit? The whole market to an extent. So, yeah, all of them. Ethereum for sure. Bitcoin usually leads the charge for the whole market. And, Bitcoin being above its 200-day moving average is usually when altcoins pump. Below the 200-day moving average, altcoins don't pump as much. Thank you, guys. I see a lot of you double tapping the screen on TikTok. I really appreciate that. So who would win in a fight, Pablo or Parabolic? Is Pablo, does he know Kung Fu, stuff like that? That's the only thing that I'd be worried about. Why 50 cents instead of $1 for VET? All right, now I'm not able to see the chat, but thank you for sending likes. Why 50 cents instead of $1 for VET? I'm worried about, China stuff. Maybe they'll create their own central bank digital currency. And, they have a lot of partnerships. VET has a lot of partnerships in China. So Mr. Whale on Twitter predicting the major bear market. He's a scammer. He's a fraud. Don't pay attention to Mr. Whale. There are other bears that I would say, pay attention to these guys, but not Mr. Whale. So what's XRP prediction for the end of the month? If Bitcoin goes to 60,000, which I think it will, XRP maybe $1.50. I'm not sure. If we don't see 53K this month, which we will, but then if we don't, what's your plan? It depends. If we hover around $50,000, that's fine. It's like we could delay going to 53K until next month. Who would win in a boxing match, BitBoy or Blockchain Boy? Blockchain Boy is 6'2". I don't know if you guys know that. He's really tall. So, I'd give it to the Blockchain Boy. I wouldn't be surprised if BitBoy Crypto was 5'8" or something. Regarding NFTs, there is an NFT on Binance. Looks solid. Have you looked at it? I haven't. No, sorry. I think you're shadow banned. What? I'm not shadow banned. What? Will Bake break its all-time high again? I'm not paying attention to Bake's chart. Matic end of year prediction. January $8 or so. What cryptos are you dumping after the bull run? I'm dumping all of them except for Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. So I'll sell a little bit of my Ethereum, half of my Binance, half of my Chainlink, none of my HBAR, but I don't have a ton of HBAR. So, let's see. Can ETH flip Bitcoin? Oh yeah, yes, it probably will. In my opinion, I think it's going to flip it in 2023. VXV. I'm still trying to figure out VXV. Do they actually need a coin or a token? XRP end of this month, yeah, $1.50. All right. Kusama price end of year. January. I'm going to say January. Where's Kusama? Man, I can't even find it. Oh, there it is. Okay. Kusama. 332 right now. Maybe 1,500 or so. Let's see. CVO Crypto 2 Black backup channel. Yes. Pablo has more energy. Okay. Dot predictions, $200. Good price for ETH or wait a bit. You're just, I think it's a good price. So what's your thought on XLM? XLM here. Let me talk about XLM for a little bit. So XLM here. Remember, think about third world countries, because this is what I love about XLM. They're going to be very helpful for banking in third world countries. You know how in third world countries they never had a home phone. They just skip from not having a home phone to having cell phones, and it's the same thing. The banking options. Shiba is not going to $2. That's insane. Shiba's not going to crash. I'm not selling any SHIB, but okay. A lot of third world countries don't have banking. You know, they don't have banking options. A lot of people in the undeveloped world don't have they don't have bank accounts. And in the same way that they skipped from having no home phone to having cell phones, they're going to do the same thing. And XLM is going to be huge for that. So I'm bullish long term on XLM, and I do think it'll have a new all-time high. I think it's going to go to $3, something like that. SHIB to a penny, still no. What can SHIB max out at? You know, maybe a little bit higher than its all-time high. Look at its market cap. Its market cap is huge. This is not a penny coin. I know you're looking at it like a penny coin, but it's number 23 in market cap. There is not that much room for it to go higher. So no, it's not hitting a penny. It's not hitting $1. It's not hitting 1/10 of a penny, not this cycle. So do you expect Bitcoin to go back down to 47K? I don't think so. Yeah, 6.2, okay. Traded 1 ETH for 16 Litecoin, cashed out the rest for a trip. Approximately 7% of our portfolio. Initial reaction, 7% of your portfolio. I'm not going to object to anything. I'm not going to object to anything that you do with 7% of your portfolio. Is 15 quant enough to have me retired by 2026? Where will quant be in 2026? I think this decade it's going to 5 figures. So quant at 5 figures, that's, let's just say $10,000. I don't think it's going to be $10,000 in 2026, but that's like what, $15,000 or $150,000? Is that enough to have you retired? If so, then great. I don't think so. Gems to buy now. I'm still saying Litecoin and Ethereum. I have 14,000 pounds of Ether, or 1,400 pounds of Ether. What should I foe with be it? You should hold it. Meant Pablo has more energy than parabolic. Okay. Why do you hold BNB and Hedera Chainlink through the bull market? They do through the bear market. I mean, they do very well. They've done pretty well in the bear markets. They seem to be a little bit independent. So how does the basement boy weigh? I have no idea how much he weighs. Stop calling him the basement boy. Not enough money in the world for Shiba to reach $2. That's right. I mean, it would at $1, Shiba would be worth more than all the assets in the world. It's not going to $1. Do you see Litecoin being a better investment than ADA this bull run? For the remainder of the run, yes. I mean, I think ADA is going to $8. That's less than a 4x from here. So Parabolic got those crazy eyes. Yeah, DAG, I still haven't looked into DAG. I mean, so far, so good. I mean, I've looked in a ton, but yes, I still believe Doge is going to $1. I like Maker, yes. Why is VXV sinking? It's done well over the last month. It just needs to cool off a little bit. AMP, very bullish on AMP to $1. So thank you for calling me smart. And again, I am live on YouTube. I can't keep up with this TikTok chat, but I'm live on YouTube. Head on over there. So World War Bitcoin. Do you see? All right. Yeah. What do you think about Robinhood? They just announced that they have customer support. Cool, man. Finally. Thank you for finally doing something that you've been supposed to do. It's like, what do you want? A cookie? That's a Chris Rock joke. And good that they're finally getting wallets too. As soon as they get wallets, I made the mistake of buying crypto on Robinhood a long time ago. As soon as they get wallets, I'm transferring out of there. What's your price prediction for Shiba? Back to its all-time high. That's all. Maybe a little higher than that. Thoughts on Nano or H-bar? I'd say H-bar. Nano has been underperforming. I expect it to still underperform. So H-bar 2026. Why 2026? All right, never mind. I know why like early 2026. If it continues doing that, you know, $10, double digits, something like that. Shiba to a penny, no. Confirm Safe Moon consolidation. Safe Moon is trash, man. Whatever. I'm not. Safe Moon might still be dead, or might be whatever. Do you prefer ADA over Solana? No, I do not. Shiba is so boring. Not over the last 24 hours. Litecoin touching 1,500 this bull run or more. Yeah. Litecoin is trash. I see that comment, Leroy Jenkins. Listen, it's digital silver to Bitcoin's digital gold. I'm looking at the charts, man. I'm just looking at the charts. And what I'm seeing is that Litecoin is due for a pump. If there is an influencer boxing tournament, I would bet on you. Thank you. Yeah, my dad was a boxer. He was a very good boxer. Robinhood doing the bare minimum. Yeah. You said $8 to $10 XRP after the bull run. Are you sticking with that despite the end of the lawsuit? Yes. Thoughts on VeChain? I love VeChain. I'm very bullish on it. I'm not as bullish on it based on recent events with China, but 50 cents. There's always a pullback after a run, but do you think it will come back to 50K for Bitcoin? I think I could see that being the bear market bottom. Yeah. I bought 32 Litecoin over the last week because of your live streams. Thank you, Emilio. I hope it goes well for you. TLM end of the year. I don't know. Do you like Coinbase? I don't like their fees, but Coinbase Pro seems to do very well. I did not check out the interview with Wendy and Richard Hart. I hopped on Wendy's live stream. She was live a little bit ago, and she said very kind things about Richard Hart. So that's cool. I mean, I still think he's a tool, but I'm happy that he was courteous and nice, whatever, that he was a good interview. So how do you feel about DOT? $200 a cycle. I've been talking a lot about DOT. How do you feel about October so far? What you expected? Better, worse? Tata, it's better because ETH isn't. Why isn't ETH silver? ETH is oil, Leroy Jenkins. That's why. I should be a rapper. Okay. ETH is more like oil to Bitcoin's gold. But yeah, October is better than I thought it would be so far. I thought the first week of October would be flat. What do you think about Cardano until December? I think Cardano is going to be the first crypto to peak before Bitcoin. And I think it's going to peak at $8. Audio, sorry, Junior, I don't know enough about audio. Most of my portfolio is with Ethereum and Bitcoin. Is there any point that you would start scaling out of those to avoid watching everything crash down into the bear market? Yes, but not anytime soon. Like the next couple months, I think you're going to be safe. So follow my channel. I will be communicating when I think the peaks are and when I plan on exiting. Not that I'm exiting my Bitcoin or Ethereum, but are they really burning Shiba till it goes to a cent? Do they burn Shiba? I don't think they do. Doge and Robinhood's a good idea. I mean, if there's any crypto you're going to buy in Robinhood, sure, Doge. Quant predictions this quarter. I have no predictions. Quant is very unpredictable, but higher, definitely. Farm, I don't know enough about Farm. They do burn SHIB. I mean, I have not seen that. So have you heard of S mining company called Christo Invest Hub? No. Axis. All right. You're saying thank you for subscribing to our YouTube channel. You say they burn. Okay. Thoughts on AMC? I mean, look, I hold AMC. I just, when's this, squeeze going to happen, if it happens at all? Doge end of October prediction, maybe like 35 cents. Great buy, Emilio, huh? Oh, you're talking to someone else. Have 5K of DOT and 20K of ADA. They haven't done much. All I want, and I want to convert. What would you put the 25K in? I would hold on to some of your DOT and some of your ADA. And, I'd buy Ethereum. I'd buy Bitcoin. I'd buy Litecoin. Some of the good ones. How low do you think HBAR will drop in the bear market? HBAR doesn't suffer as much as other cryptos in the bear market. I don't think it will, at least, but it'll drop. I mean, 50, 60%, but in comparison to others, there's, Doge is going to crash really hard. I mean, if Doge goes to $1, I think it's going to lose over 95% of its value from that top to the bear market bottom. Will you sell ADA? I will sell my ADA. I want to see what it does in the bear market. I mean, it's probably not going to do as poorly as it did last time, but it lost 96 or 97% of its value from the peak in 2018 to the bear market bottom. I don't want to hold on to that. I have a majority of my coins in Gemini. Is that a recommended platform? That's a very safe one. Yeah. All right. Top 5 Bitcoin. My top 5 holdings are not my top 5 favorites, but my top 5 holdings are Bitcoin, Ethereum, Cake, XRP, and Binance. So got to peep the meme stocks. Yes. Thoughts on Bird Money? I don't know. As soon as they release those wallets, all my crypto is out of Robinhood. Yeah, me too. Do you recommend Coinbase wallet or external wallet in terms of safety? Coinbase is pretty safe. So HNT a goodbye? I think so. I'm glitching out. I hope not. Subbed. Thank you, DeQuavis. 300 views on TikTok. Yes, sir. Solana end of October. Maybe back to $200. So top 5 favorites. Okay. My favorites. I'm going to do my top 7: Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, HBAR, Quant, and Solana. And that is not in order. Is the final time to buy right now? I wouldn't necessarily say that. I mean, there's plenty of short-term trades that you can make. It's the final time to buy for long-term holding is now. You know, if you were to dollar cost average your way in and you were looking for a point to just slow down, I would say now is a good time. My voice keeps clicking. I don't know what to do. I'm sorry. Thank you, Crypto Jamie NFT. What's HBAR end of the year? January, $2. When will be some deep for Litecoin? I want to buy more, but not much capital. I think we're pretty close to a bottom in comparison to the remainder of the year for Litecoin. Why are you so confident of the bull trap not happening when it reaches 53K? Bull traps are a one-time thing. I've never heard of a double bull trap, okay? So people who think that the September peak at 53K was a bull trap, for it to then go back to 53K, but then even go beyond it and then test it as support and then bounce higher, it's like, what in the world? That's not a bull trap. That's not a bull trap at all. 2 weeks ago, you said Shiba was dead coin. Yeah, I did. No, I did not. I said, is it dead? I said, is Shiba dead? And I assigned it like a 50-50 possibility that it was dead, okay? And so what would I rather have? Something that I think is not dead, that I know is not dead, or something that I'm like 50-50, it's dead, okay? So yeah, you can make Crypto Dave 8. Yep, you can make money in a bull market, you can build generation wealth in a bear market. That's absolutely true. I cannot wait for the bear market. Can XRP hit $50 one day in the future? Sure, not anytime soon in my opinion. Where do you buy HNT? All right, yeah, just hold on to your crypto on Robinhood. If you made the mistake of buying on Robinhood, hold on to it. Bitcoin 100K before or after March 1st before. Do you like Link? I do like Link. Where to buy HNT? I don't even know. I don't know where to buy HNT. So never heard of it, but it looks like a good one. Yeah, HNT Helium miner. I'm going to own some Helium miners one day. I don't own one yet. Where would you most recommend to buy altcoins? I like Voyager. I mean, it just depends on what coin you want. I mean, KuCoin has a lot of options. Thank you, Nick Goddard. Hello. But I like Voyager. And if you're new to crypto, you want to get in, we will see a bear market. But if you're new to crypto, you want to get in, download the Voyager app, use my referral code ALE749. You get $25 of free Bitcoin and you skip the waiting list. So no Litecoin on any list. No, Litecoin is not a favorite of mine. But Litecoin is probably my 6th holding and I'm still super bullish on it for the short term. Let's see. What are your thoughts on XRP SEC case? Yeah, I have no idea. I get that question like 10 times a day. I'm sorry. I don't know when it's going to end. So when will bear market come and how do I prepare? When you see things go parabolic, when you see things go skyrocketing, be very nervous and sell and take profits. And then the bear market will begin shortly after that. So what do you think of Dogecoin? I think it's a joke. It's a meme coin. It was literally created as a joke, but I think it's going to $1. So how low are we going in the bear market? It depends. It depends on the crypto. I'm going to make a bear market buying guide. I've started making a bear market buying guide. Okay. Short term for Litecoin being 3 months or so, or 4 months. And I've started making it. I'm going to make about 25 videos, probably like 3-4 hours of content on the best time to buy in the bear market. And I'm going to charge $27 for that. So Pedro, let's see, lately I read some articles in Cointelegraph that some analysts see Bitcoin going to 230, 300K and a bull run can be for the next 6 months. What do you think about this? I mean, I've been saying 200K. I don't think it's going to be the next 6 months. We're matching up with previous cycles very nicely right now. I think Bitcoin is going to peak in December. Extreme to me, you've got to listen to what I'm saying. All right. I'm saying for short-term gains, it's still fine to buy. But if you're a long-term holder and you're not going to mess around with the short-term price action, then it's like maybe now is the time to cool off. How long more would you DCA, or is it time to just all in? I mean, it's about time to all in. I would say we break through 53K. Bull market is 100%, not 100%, 98% on. and go all in, you know? So Binance has HNT. Excellent. Top 3 coins with biggest potential gains this run. That question, I'm sorry, man. I cannot stand that question. I can't stand it. It's probably 3 coins that I've never heard of, okay? But if you're, let's just talk 10x. Holochain, Wink, Omi, Litecoin, and a lot of them, a lot of smaller market cap coins. Look outside of the top 100. So will you hold XRP through the bull market and sell or try to buy back? I'm not sure. You know, the SEC suit, I don't know if I'm going to, and it depends on how it does, regardless of the SEC suit. How much will you invest in the bear market? It just depends, you know. I'll probably go 90% in again. 90% of my net worth is in crypto right now. I don't think October 18th is going to change anything. Bitcoin 60K, end of the month, yeah. Matic prediction, January, $8 or so. AGLD, I don't know enough. I don't have a prediction for helium, no. In here, Nick Lopez, hello. Definitely recommend picking up an HNT miner. Yeah, I will. I just didn't want, I want to do it in the bear market. I don't want to do it right now. When's a good time to buy HBAR? Now. When will bear market be? Yeah, I talked a lot about that. Do you have any idea when crypto will be regulated? Slowly but surely over time, it will be regulated. Why do other TikTokers hate on Litecoin? Everyone hates on Litecoin. And good, you know, the more you guys hate on it, the more confident I am that I'm right about Litecoin. So, oh, KuCoin is trash? Okay, good to know. I didn't know that. I don't have KuCoin. I just know they have a variety of options. How much of ETH and Bitcoin should we pull out around December and January? Listen, Jace, I'm not pulling out any of my Bitcoin, and I'm pulling out 5% of my ETH. But it just depends. What do you want to do? You know, do you want short-term gains? And pull it all out. Just go ahead. Yeah, pull it all out. Fine. Market will go parabolic after case is settled, and we have Bitcoin ETF. Oh, Crypto Dave 8. Okay, so let's talk about that. Right now, I read an article, and this was from 6 months ago when Bitcoin's supply was much more liquid than it is now. I read an article. All it takes is $93 million to move Bitcoin 1% higher. A $93 million purchase will move Bitcoin 1% higher. If we get an ETF, a Bitcoin ETF in the United States, by my calculations, we will add, they will accumulate about 600 Bitcoin a day. Okay, so 600 Bitcoin, 600 times 50,000. Let me do the math. That's 300. Somebody help me. All right, 100 times 50,000 is 5 million. So 15 million, is that right? 15 million, something like that. All right, so they'll add 15 million a day. That doesn't sound right. Never mind. Somebody else do the math. 600 times 50,000. I could hug you for fixing your mic. Thank you, Nextdrew said. Thank you, Brian DeAndrea. Really appreciate that. Does everything bottom out around the same time in the bear market? No, it's very different for each crypto. So, all right, 600 times 50,000 is 30 million. So listen, all right, 1%, $93 million worth of crypto, or $93 million purchase moves Bitcoin up 1%. A Bitcoin ETF will add $30 million worth of Bitcoin a day to their holdings for like at least the first 6 months, and not a futures ETF, a regular ETF. Okay. So what's that going to do? That's just an ETF. That's not like that's just an ETF. That's not including anything else. It's going to be insane. What do you think about Pundi X? The little bit of research that I've done, I like it, but Adventure Gold, nothing. HBAR prediction, $2 or so. Bear market when? 2022 sometime. Is the House Committee on Financial Services live? I don't know. Isn't it better for you to sell your Bitcoin and buy more when the price drop? You'll end up with more Bitcoin. I get that question every day. I don't care. I'm not selling my Bitcoin. I'll sell everything else. You know, I'll sell 60% of my portfolio. Okay, I'm not selling my Bitcoin. And I just don't want to play around with it. We have reached an inflection point with Bitcoin where we have the amount of Bitcoin available for sale peaked earlier this year, and it's going down. It's going down forever. Like there will be peaks and valleys and stuff, but the trend is down forever. And you're going to be kicking yourself for the thing. You're going to think about the day. Remember those days. Remember those days when we could just buy Bitcoin whenever we want. And I know that there's Bitcoin mined a day, but you know what? There's, in the next halving, it's going to go down to 450 Bitcoin mined a day. But like, who's going to buy that? The miners will hold on to half of it or more at times. And then institutions are going to get it, over the counter. They're not going, that crypto is not, that Bitcoin is not going to exchanges. Do not sell your XRP. I probably won't. We'll see. I might sell some. H-bar prediction, $2. Let's see. Adventure Gold, I don't know. So astrology says we have one more dip in the next 48 hours. I'm not an astrology guy, but whatever. Any advice on day trading in the bear market? Don't ask me. Ask Crypto Weatherman. He's the man for that. Shiba Inu is 160% up in 1 week. I know you don't care for meme coin yet. Right now is profit gaining. Yeah, good. I have some Shiba Inu. I buy trash. Is it bad that I don't have any Bitcoin? None of you have Bitcoin. It's like, if I were to take a poll of how many of you actually own Bitcoin, it's probably like 80% of you don't own any Bitcoin. And the reason why is because, let's say I'm right and Bitcoin goes to $200,000, you're like, only a 4x gain in the next 3 months? Only a 4x gain? You don't want a 4x gain. You want a 10x gain, you want a 100x gain. You kids are going to have to learn the hard way. So, when should I sell my Ethereum? Man, I think it's going to peak at Dean and Bance, I don't know. Sorry. I think if Ethereum's going to peak at $15,000. And so maybe, 5 figures. I think 5 figures. Is Bitcoin going up for 10 years? Yes, and for longer than that. So just have a fraction of Bitcoin. Fine. Yeah, own a fraction, okay? Why is bear market such a good thing, seeing in the bull run, so you have more net worth to enter in the bear market? Is there another reason? Pedro, all right, let's talk about Cardano. Cardano bottomed out at 2 cents in the bear market, and it got up to $3. That's a 150x. From here until the end of the run, your best case scenario is like a 6x for Cardano. What would you rather have? Buying Cardano at 2 cents in the bear market and seeing a 150x, or buying it at $2.18 now and seeing maybe a 6x? It's a no-brainer for me. I'm so excited for the bear market. Solana, $600. You think Ethereum is going 5 figures by when? January or so. H-bar prediction end of October. Man, it's a total guess. 35 cents or something. Jupiter coin, not paying attention. Yeah, Bitcoin's over 50K again. What did you say the coins with 10x potential were? Litecoin, Hot, Omi, and what other? There's so many. Wink. There's so many that will, I think, have 10x potential. Good luck actually getting a 10x on those. So, on your screen, what exactly is USDT? Is that legit like fiat? It's a stablecoin, Tether, stablecoin. I have Bitcoin. Good. What happens to the price when Bitcoin runs out? It's going to be like real estate. What happens when people own all the real estate in the world, all the land in the world? It'll go up just like real estate. I have Bitcoin since 2017, not selling either. Excellent. What's up, Zlatan? Jeff G owns 4 Bitcoin, my man. As a newbie, how do you start? Britt Harvey, download the Voyager app. Use my referral code ALE749. A as in Apple, L as in Larry, E as in Elephant, 749. And you get $25 of free Bitcoin. You skip the waiting list. Just buy Bitcoin and Ethereum for now. Okay. Aave Plus, please, King. Aave partnership with who? AVAX? Partnershiped. Aave partnered with AVAX. That's a good sign. I like both. Yeah, last month I said everyone should own at least 0.28 Bitcoin. Yes. When you think it's going to reach 15,000? Next January, maybe January 2022. Best thing I did was not sell my Bitcoin bought in 2017. There we go. 60K Bitcoin. What do you think? I think that's going to happen this month. Never sell quant. We'll see. The price of Bitcoin scares new investors and those with smaller disposable income. Yeah, sure. And many invest in crypto looking for a home run. Better chance than normal exchange. All right. Is the next bear market not going to be very different? I don't think it's going to be all that much different. I think it's going to be not as bad, but almost as bad as the next bear market, as far down as things go. The bull market going to end before the half of 2022 and bear will start. What's your opinion? I agree. I think before the second half. Do you think Litecoin is going to run in the last quarter? Yes. Keyron, Solana. I love Solana. My goodness. I saw your question earlier and I answered it. I love Solana. I think 600 this cycle. And I think like 4,000 next cycle. Do we really have to touch 53K to obtain a new higher high, even though 50K right now is a good thing? It's just, I mean, at some point we have to touch 53K. All I'm saying with 53K is that the bears are dead. The bears, we will bury the bears. Yeah, sorry, ALE749 for that promo code, ALE749. Which coin is most likely to best perform in October? I don't know, man. Bitcoin. It's Bitcoin's turn. Reddit groups are wanting to pump Obite case. It's green. What? So much more exposure than previous times. Haha, bro, I fixed my microphone. Thank you. All right, since you're not selling your Bitcoin, would you consider borrowing against it? Absolutely, Matthew. That's what I'm going to do. I am going to borrow against my Bitcoin, a 1% loan. I'm going to buy some real estate with that, and I'm not selling my Bitcoin, but I will borrow against it. I have $1,000. What should I buy? Half Ethereum, half Litecoin. I don't have a whole Bitcoin because I can't afford it, but I'm buying every month. Hopefully one day I get a whole Bitcoin. Excellent, Adriana. You're right. A 4x gain is boring. You kids, man. Yeah. How long do you think the next bear market will last? It'll last probably until the next Bitcoin halving, you know? I mean, Bitcoin will probably bottom out about a year before the next halving. So can you briefly explain the halving? I don't know. Some people call it halvening. Some people call it halving. So Bitcoin's mining production gets cut in half. I like VXV. I don't know enough about DAG and LTX. Bitcoin's mining production gets cut in half every 4 years. It's actually a little bit faster than 4 years, but about every 4 years. So right now, 900 Bitcoin are mined a day. In the next halving, which is 2024, maybe like March of 2024, there will be 450 Bitcoin mined per day. It causes a supply crunch. The next time around in 2028, there will be 225 Bitcoin mined a day. Lucci the Gucci, I don't know what you heard about me, but you can't get $1 out of me. What prices would you recommend selling Litecoin over $1,000? ALE749. I only have 30.35 Bitcoin, but still working on excellent. $1,000 to put in Litecoin or Quant. I would say Litecoin. Everyone else would say Quant, so maybe I'm crazy. Why did you say everyone needs 0.025? Thank you, Crypto Dabber. 0.025 Bitcoin. I said 0.28. That'll put you in the 1%. There's 8 billion people in the world. 0.28 Bitcoin will put you in the 1% of Bitcoin holders. DAG is cleaner. Okay. Sorry, Zions, I didn't mean to ignore your hollow question, even though I'm not going to talk about hollow. I mean, just check it out. Hollow chain. I'm bullish on it. So Litecoin prediction for November, new all-time high, 400, 500 or so. Why are you so bullish on Litecoin? Check out my pinned video on TikTok, Litecoin. Can you say how you do the borrow? I do the borrow on, I can do it on Celsius. I haven't yet, but there's platforms where we can borrow. Either Aave or AVAX, they partnered with each other. Why buy Litecoin? Check out my video, my pinned video on TikTok. So, Celsius, you can do a 1% loan, 3-year loan. So crazy how there was only 5 or 15 people on YouTube in June and July, and now it's easily over 50, and the viewership is crazy on TikTok too. Zlatan, can't wait for 1K on TikTok. That day will come. Hot, worth investing, yes. Any scenario where Litecoin doesn't go to 1,000. Always. There's always some scenario where cryptos won't go to the point that we're talking about. I don't think we're going to revisit 45K, that one crypto guy. But if I had to bet money on it or something like that, if I had to bet that whether, if Litecoin was going to go to 1K, if it's like I get $1 million or I lose my net worth, I don't know, whatever, I would bet that Litecoin is going to 1K at least. So I read about Hollow a lot yesterday. Just want to hear your bullish thoughts. Let me just table that, you know? So you buying Shiba? No, I'm all in right now. So yeah, you know what, bro? That's good. You could do that. Still waiting for IOTA to pump. Yeah, I think it will. I think one day you're gonna wake up and it's gonna like, whoa, IOTA. What makes the price of a coin go up and down? People buying and selling. Top three for 2022, other than Bitcoin and ETH, like new altcoins to be on the lookout for. Like as the bear market's rolling out, man, USD coin, Tether, and Binance USD. That's my top three for 2022. Boomerang, what's up, man? Helium thoughts. I can't wait. I can't wait for to one day own a helium miner. I don't right now. I just don't want to wait. You know, I think I could. I think the waiting list is going to be much shorter in the bear market, so I'm going to buy. Lucas, I'm not going to show you my portfolio, but my 5 biggest holdings are Bitcoin, Ethereum. Ethereum is my biggest holding. I have 6 figures of Ethereum. What's up, Legend of Carl? Clover, don't know enough. I have 6 figures of Ethereum. Bitcoin's my second biggest holding. Cake is my third biggest holding. XRP is my fourth biggest holding. I have like $17,000 worth of XRP. Binance is my fifth biggest holding. I mean, all right, I have Hex. I bought $500 of Hex I don't use a bot. No. Oh, wait. Yeah, I have one bot. It hasn't done well. I have 5K and want to double it. Just spread it out. If you throw it in Bitcoin, I think you're going to double it. So if you don't table my hollow question, I'm going to table your hollow question. Sorry. Obite will pump less than a me. Okay. How did you come here with your predictions for Bitcoin, Litecoin, and the rest? Or ETH, Litecoin, and the rest? I start with Bitcoin. But there's so many factors that it's way too hard. Thoughts on Pablo. He's my son, so I love him dearly. So I've heard of Clover Finance, don't know enough. I start with Bitcoin. I think I've been saying Bitcoin to $200,000. I've said that since I started my channel. And then I in general, I think that certain cryptos will outperform Bitcoin on the way up, but then also on the way down. And so, yeah, but then I look at the fundamentals. I look at a lot of other things. I look at other people's thoughts, and I look at charts and stuff like that. So I don't have a Celsius referral code. No, sorry. All right, holochain sounds better than a blockchain tech, but I'm not sure it's going to take over. Again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. I can't keep up with the TikTok chat, but I can on YouTube. So bought 1,500 USD worth of Litecoin. Good. 450 into ETH. Excellent. Keep on adding to ETH. Do you give them the Bitcoin? I hold it there, but yeah, for Celsius, I mean, I borrow against it. Like, you know, if I borrowed against my home, would I give the bank my home? It's the same thing. It's like, it's still my Bitcoin, but I borrow against it. And you could borrow against other cryptos as well. So total supply. Do you think it's a good idea to invest in coin mining? Yes. And what coin should I mine? That's a good question. I don't know the answer to that, but there are ways you can still mine Bitcoin. You know, you can join a mining pool. I'm not doing this right now. I'm going to look into it. You know, check out Compass Mining. You can get a decent mining machine. So Litecoin price is bull run $1,500. Mara is a good pickup. Sure, yeah. Is Matic a buy? Oh no, you can't borrow against Shiba. Matic is a buy, yes. I heard $500 Bitcoin in 10 years can make you a millionaire. 10 years for, if you bought $500 worth of Bitcoin right now, I don't think you'd be a millionaire in 10 years. 0.1%, 3.13% of the millionaires in the world and 0.28 Bitcoin investment is 14,000. Okay. Obite. I don't know anything about Obite. When do you think we'll reach that 53K make or break? I think in a week or two. XRP end of the month. I don't know. How low do you think Bitcoin will go during the bear market? All right. Hey, bro, Zions, the reason why is like I did a lot of research a long time ago about holochain, and I don't feel comfortable BSing right now in giving you the information that I know about holochain. Okay. I'm just not going to do it. So please stop. Just stop. Okay. I like you, but just stop. How low do you think Bitcoin will go during the bear market? Around where it is now, $50,000. But the 200-week moving average is what matters, okay? 200-week moving average. Yeah, my son Pablo. What platform will your bear market guy be on? It's going to just be a website. You know, I haven't named the website yet. So, DAG, don't know enough, sorry. Just joined. What's your thoughts today? I'm bullish. We're climbing, you know. Best place to stake coins. PancakeSwap.finance. I really like it, but Celsius as well. Nexo, etc. So I wonder if I can do anything here. Hey, I was on your TikTok. What do you think about Shiba right now? I mean, I don't think, I think Shiba has more room to go up, but listen, Shiba's market cap is huge. It's at number 23 in market cap. It's not like it's going to 100x from here. So don't expect it to 100x. That's all I'll say. 500 million SHIB. Cool. What happens to Celsius not offering services in the US? I have Celsius. I don't know about that. Take profits from Cody or hold. I'm not paying attention to Cody. Sorry. I have a building and I got someone that wants to invest in coin mining. So that's why I'm asking. Okay. Yeah. What would be the next? Crypto's a 10x. All right. Holochain. Talking about Holochain. There we go. Wink, Omi, Litecoin, lots of them. A lot of sub 100 coins. So Obyte is good. All right. People are spamming Obyte. Okay. I have 1K. Should I split ETH and Litering? You mean Litecoin, or throw it 50-50 with Bitcoin and ETH? I mean, right now, if you want short-term gains, I'd say ETH and Litecoin. Do you think the current pump could be a short-term bull trap? I just made a video about that on my TikTok. I do not think that this is a bull trap. And I hope that my argument is compelling. Website name. I haven't named the website yet. So is the next bull market going to start in 2023 or 2024? I mean, the Bitcoin next halving is going to be at 2024. I think that's going to be a good time. Bear market Bitcoin. There we go. You should change your handle World War Litecoin if it actually hits 1.5K. Nah. XEC, nothing. No thoughts. How excited am I about this run compared to 2017? All right, listen, guys. It's like I'm cautiously optimistic. I'm very, very optimistic, but I'm cautiously optimistic. It's like in 2017 at this time, if you asked anyone like how sure they were that Bitcoin was going to go to $20,000, none of us were like, oh, it's definitely going to $20,000. I mean, there were definitely people who were like, oh yeah, 20,000, 30,000, 50,000. But man, you know, no one's 100% sure about anything. So I'm excited. I think that it is going to go higher, but you know, I want to see confirmation. So come on, talk about VET. All right, I see lots of you commenting about VET. What do you want me to say? I talk about VET like every 15 minutes because people always ask me about VET. I love VET. VET's a top 10 crypto for me. I'm a little nervous right now about VET. I mean, well, in a sense, I mean, like I think VET is going to, I used to say that I thought VET was going to go to $1. Now I think it's more like 50 cents, which is still a great gain. So when do you think Litecoin will go to 412, its all-time high, like November or so? Happy Tuesday, Ilidio. Happy Tuesday. Happy Taco Tuesday, Crypto Moonbags. That's funny. Again, for those of you on TikTok, you're begging me to talk about VET. I'm live on YouTube. I'm able to answer every question on YouTube, but not on TikTok. So when did you start investing in crypto? I bought my first crypto in 2013. Your own website sounds cool. Make sure accept deposits from AUD accounts. Yeah, I don't know how that works. Thank you again, Crypto Jamie. Boomerang, thank you so much, man. It's like watching UFC. That's funny. Let's see. What coins do you think will pump? I think all coins will pump, like 99% of coins, except for like the dead meme coins. And I mean like the super dead meme coins. I'm not even talking about Safe Moon here. I'm talking about like meme coins that you never heard of. Aside from those, I think a large majority of them will pump. I have not looked at Sportum on Go. Sorry. When should I buy ETH? Now. FTM is a 10x by the end of the year with today's price. Yeah, VRA as well. How long have you been a millionaire? I'm not a millionaire, but I probably will be soon. So I'm close. And you know, if you go by net worth, like with my business, I've never valued my business. You know, I've done a valuation on it, but I might be a millionaire now. Do you stake your ETH? I hold it on platforms. Thank you, Bro Zients. Thank you. I'll talk about Holo tomorrow. Come back tomorrow. I hold it on platforms. I don't officially stake it, but I hold it on platforms where I get returns. So, oh my goodness, stop spamming. Where to buy VET? You could buy it on crypto.com. You can buy it on Voyager, not on Voyager. You can buy it on crypto.com. What alts are not following Bitcoin? Why are not alts not following Bitcoin? It's Bitcoin's time. They are following Bitcoin, but it's Bitcoin's time right now. So do you recommend selling ETH after the run up and buying back in the bear market, or just holding? I would say just hold, but because EIP 3675, or you can buy vet on Voyager. Okay. EIP 3675, you're gonna get burned. You're gonna get dusted. Like one day you're gonna wake up and ETH will be out of your reach in terms of price. So is it worth buying 35K of cake now and staking, or better off buying ADA? I mean, the staking for cake is phenomenal, so I would say cake. Please tell me about Polkadot. Okay, I'm finally at your question, Mohammed. All right, Polkadot. I'm bullish on Polkadot. I think at the very least it's going to go back to its all-time high, but I think $200. I love Polkadot. It's borderline top 10 for me. There's other cryptos that I like. So am I holding any altcoins post-bull run? Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. I buy any more ETH. I have Fortnite. Litecoin, yeah, buy ETH. FTM end of year prediction. I don't have one. Sorry. Make me a mod. I'll ban the spammers. I don't know how to make somebody a mod. But I'm open to that, bro. So, thank you, Emilio. Thank you so much. If Litecoin hits $1,500, yeah, you know what? That's going to be awesome. So, SHIB is not the new Bitcoin. I never said SHIB was the new Bitcoin. Who said that? I didn't. Can you do a video with detailed data about what will happen with XRP once the lawsuit is over? I don't know. You know, there's a lot of other people I would recommend, including my favorite crypto influencer is the blockchain backer on YouTube. So what are the top 3 crypto multipliers by the end of this bull run? 3 cryptos that I've never heard of. So Jonathan Villanueva, are you related to Astruval Villanueva? I don't know. I thought you were dumping your bag end of year, or did that mean everything except for Bitcoin and ETH? Yeah, I'm selling probably 60% of my crypto, and that's not including Bitcoin and ETH. I've not heard of Doge, DG. Top 3, Bitcoin, Ethereum, and Chainlink. All right, DOT got listed on eToro today. Excellent. Didn't pump much. Yeah, DOT's available in plenty of places, so... do you hold XLM? I don't see it talked about much in general. I'd be happy if it gets to $2. I hold XLM, yeah. And I do think it's going to $2. So all in with Litecoin. Okay, yeah, blockchain backer's awesome. Guys, you should subscribe to his YouTube channel. He probably doesn't even know I exist, but I love him. So don't recommend getting modders. There are stupid people ready to mute everyone. We'll see. You still think Litecoin will go down big? Yeah, I mean, I think so. Listen, Litecoin is a short-term play. I think Litecoin is going to pump like crazy and then crash really hard, over 90%, and that's about as close to a guarantee. Like if Litecoin pumps like crazy, which I think it will, that's the closest thing to a guarantee that I could give you, that Litecoin will dump over 90%. So thank you, Woodshaped. CVO Crypto, man. Go, guys, those of you on TikTok, follow CVO Crypto. His main account got banned, and he's here giving me roses. Much love to CVO Crypto. He's the MVP of September, and he is more bullish than I am, believe it or not. So you think K can 3X in a bull run? Yes, at least. Litecoin equals boring at best. All right. How come you're more bullish on Link over Vet? I don't know if I am for this, like from bottom, from right now to the peak. I would say I'm more bullish on Vet, but I think Vet's going to dump really hard at the end. So go to the right on my username, click 3 dots. I'm in YouTube Studio, and it doesn't give me that option. So still see AMP getting to about $1. Yes, CVO Crypto is the man. Yep. Yes, he is. Mina has been looking very good lately. Yeah, I haven't paid attention to Mina. I think Mina is going to be a great bear market buy. So, Wolf of Paul Street, okay. Am I caught up on YouTube? Wow. Matic end of year, January, $8 or so. Would it be wise to move some of my Cardano to a smaller market cap? Actually, yeah. Yeah, I would usually not say that, but yes, I think so. Hello, Sam. Theta, $50 or so this cycle. AMP to $1. IOTA is probably a 3.5x end of cycle. I mean, I might be a little more bullish on that. So I sense a massive pump next week. I hope you're right. You know, hey, maybe the 18th, maybe once we raise the debt ceiling, which we will, we will raise the debt ceiling because we always do. Maybe after that, after we see confirmation of that, we'll pump. So still see AMP getting, yeah. All right. CVO's cryptos, man. How long did you stake your hex? I'm staking it till 2025. So I hope it's worth something, but hey, you know what? I mean, it's worth like $20,000 right now. If it goes to zero, I will have looked at it as losing $500. So if you don't, no, it's cool. I mean, I'm seriously, I'm on YouTube Studio right now, bro. So is your crypto staked at non-custodial exchanges? You got the keys? Yeah. Well, it's just on platforms. It's on PancakeSwap, but yeah, I have the keys. Do you think it's smart to sell VET and buy Litecoin? Not necessarily. I mean, I could see VET doing well. Best cold wallet, Trezor. Price prediction on Cardano, $8. AMP, $1. Hey, 24/7 Anon. What's up, man? Good to see you. I just try to be underassuming with end of cycle prediction. Yeah, that's fine. That's a good call. Thoughts on crypto-related stocks, e.g. Marathon. I bought some Riot blockchain options yesterday. I bought about $1,000 of Riot blockchain options. So it's one of those things I'm in, but I lost a lot of money on buying options earlier this year. So, you know, fool me once, shame on me. Well, no, I mean, you know, if I lose money again, it's like, that will have been the dumbest thing that I've ever done, but I'm very bullish right now. So, all right, Gemini is a great platform. Yes. Has a lot of good DeFi coins and you can earn. Excellent. DOT to $200. I believe so. What's your longest hold of a coin? Probably Dogecoin because I had some stolen and I don't know, you know, it's like, will I ever get it back? For sure. They will raise the ceiling. Yes. Do you think Shiba price will hold for another 30 days? I think it'll go higher. So it's not anywhere near its all-time high. When do you stake? Is there a fee to transfer it to USDT? Yes, unfortunately. Best stake platform. I like PancakeSwap.finance. Can you buy XRP on Gemini? The only place I know there's other places, but you can buy it on Uphold. My best staking right now, it's Cake. How did they steal your Dogecoin? This was 2013. Okay, I bought Dogecoin within 2 weeks of when it released, and I held it on Doge Wallet on these like GarageBand websites that got hacked. I held it on 2 different websites that got hacked. It wasn't a ton. It was like a couple $100 worth of Doge, but like that Doge would probably be worth $100,000 right now. But I probably would have sold it before then anyway. So yeah, Shiba trash. Yep. What if Bitcoin dumps to 20K? The possibility of that happen is greater than 0%. So I will say that. Why did you buy Riot over Marathon? No reason in particular, honestly, Emilio. That's what I felt like doing. Why is DOT so slow right now? I mean, in the moment, it feels slow. Why is Bitcoin so slow at $50,000? But like, remember, Bitcoin was at $41,000 a week ago. Sold 700,000 Doge for $68, $68,000. I mean, yeah, still bullish on Litecoin. Yes, I am. Thank you, Murtaza. Thank you. If not holding many coins, is it better to hold and stake rather than sell and collect profit? Yes, I think it's better to hold and stake. If you had like $200 or $500, I would just hold it. Good day, Max. Do you know anything about Cartesi? Not really. Sorry. Please, what do you think about Avalanche? I mean, I like Avalanche. They just partnered with. They announced a partnership with Aave. So Avalanche didn't pump after getting listed on Coinbase. I think that this is due for a breakout. It's like, you know, we kind of had a cup and handle pattern here and then a breakout. And that is not a breakout. You know, I think it'll go much higher. So what are good staking sites? I want to learn. PancakeSwap.finance is probably the easiest one. Oh yeah, follow me on Twitter. Those of you who are not following me, and follow me on TikTok. Those of you on TikTok who aren't following me, trust me, it's worth it to follow me on TikTok. So And on Twitter, WW Bitcoin. Subscribe to my YouTube channel. I can answer every question on YouTube, but not on TikTok. A good buy-in for quant under $300. Yeah, Litecoin has not hit its all-time. Oh, I actually didn't know that. I thought it did. What signs do we look for to look out that the bull market is ending? Logan, I made a video on TikTok about that. Signs of the peak. I mean, if you see 1,000 people on my TikTok live stream, that's a good sign that we're getting to the end. That's one thing. If your grandmother texts you about that Bytecoin or that dog coin, that's a good sign that we're near the end. You see all your friends posting on Facebook, that's a good sign. HBAR price end of the bull run $2. Are there any coins I should buy right now? Moved all my stables to your coin recommendations. I mean, I'm all in. I'm going to say Ethereum and Litecoin. Hey, what do you think of XRP will be end of the year, $8 to $10, but end of the cycle, not end of the year? Thoughts on Stellar? Love it, long term. $2 to $3 this cycle. Been picking up some algo, 4% return, excellent. Toolboy, I am back, thank you. Thoughts on Luna? I think Luna has pumped insanely over the last year. I don't think it has as much of a pump in it as other cryptos. So I'm thinking like $100. Sending you a percentage of my Litecoin if profits ever reach $1,500. That's thank you, Christopher. That would be great. Stolen how? Just GarageBand. My Dogecoin was stolen in 2013 because it was on some platform, dogewallet.net, that had very poor security. That was the Stone Age. That was 2013. That's not going to happen today. So, Lucci the Gucci, thank you. Stupid question, can I stake ETH? Yes, absolutely. Thoughts on Anchor? Anchor is going to exist a long time. End of the month, I don't know, 8 cents. Anchor is going to exist a long time. So if you were to hold it long term, I think you'd be happy about that. So bull market until early January or end of January, then break going into tax season. I think Bitcoin's going to peak in December and alts in January. XRP price target, January, $8 to $10. You think Link will rock this run? I think it's going to 100. I don't think it's going to be crazy. So in comparison to other ones. What do you think of the ratio of male and to females actually full-time in crypto? Do you know many women in crypto? Any channels you recommend? Yeah, a lot more males than females. So, that's a bummer, but everyone's going to be in crypto one day. Anchor's a trash coin. Yeah, I think it's a great utility coin. So Crypto Wendio, I think she's great. Let's see. What's her name? Oh man, Crypto Classes. Crypto Wendy, but Crypto Classes, look up Crypto Classes. She knows a ton. She's a software engineer and she knows a ton about blockchain technology. Meg GBZ something. She's good. Crypto T. She mostly posts, Crypto T mostly posts like funny videos, but there was a video that somebody tagged me in and asked for my thoughts, and I thought the video that this person tagged me in was phenomenal. Crypto Casey, don't know enough about Crypto Casey, so top beautiful places, okay. All right, what do you think of the ratio of, I answered that. If we get a pullback on Bitcoin, what do you think is a good price to buy in would be? As of now, I just don't think it's going to go that much lower. I think we're flirting with 50,000, that we're meeting resistance there. But you see it under 50,000, I think it's going to be fine. That's going to be good to buy. So, any thoughts on 1 inch? Man, yeah, 1 inch. Very bullish on 1 inch. Wendy is a BitBoy bestie. Okay. She's not going to sever relationships. I'm in a Telegram group with Wendy and BitBoy Crypto and the Blockchain Boy and CBO Crypto and all the, Crypto Weatherman, Mac Lorden, all those guys, Joshua Jake. And she's not going to sever that relationship just because I love Crypto Weatherman, because BitBoy Crypto is an ass. So if she's got an established relationship with him, so be it, So thank you, Emilio, again. The price of cake this cycle, 3 figures, $100 or so. Sorry, 1 inch. So Binance partnered with 1 inch. And I mean, so I haven't checked out 1inch's chart after that partnership, but look what happened with Cake. Look what happened with Cake after Binance partnered with them. So I'm excited about 1inch. What do you do when you take profits you put on stables? Yes, I do. Yep. Quant's a beast. Yeah, BitBoy Crypto is in the same Telegram. Listen, I shared this drama between BitBoy Crypto and the Blockchain Boy. It started on September 11th on this Telegram group. And now right now you're starting to see it play out, but like I took a screenshot of something that BitBoy Crypto said to the Blockchain Boy. It was very immature. Yeah, I take profits, put it in stables, get those returns. So, is staking crypto coins risky? It's as risky as holding coins on a platform. ADA price prediction $8. VeChain can 3x. Yes. Chainlink price target 100 or so. TikTok has a lot of girls into crypto. Yeah, that's true, Sambo. What signs are we looking for that bull market is ending so we can sell? I just talked about that. You see 1,000 people in my live stream. You see people posting on it on Facebook. You see prices go parabolic. Check out the Pi Cycle indicator, the MVRVZ score, all that. All right, crypto class is doing a deep dive on Radix, Blockchain Boy, and Crypto Mason already have bags. Okay. What would you do if you won the 7 million Powerball? I'd put it all in crypto. Yeah, crypto classes with Alicia. Yes. I don't know enough. I don't know anything about Radix. Sorry. But I could see it. Yeah, sure. I mean, a lot of people are asking me about it. It could be a dark chain or a dark horse. Both of them are super arrogant. Man, crypto, the Blockchain Boy keeps it real. I mean, he's got swag. Okay. BitBoy Crypto is a beta male who wants to be an alpha. And so Esther wants to cash out her Litecoin. BitBoy Crypto is absolutely beta. He is beta to the core. You will not find a more beta. Betas are the worst. If I win the lotto, can I hire you to manage my investment accounts? No. Sorry, Sambo. Best site for staking. PancakeSwap.finance. Can Litecoin hit 600 this bull market? Only 600? I think it can, yeah. 5 of your favorite cryptocurrencies under $1. VeChain, XLM. I hate these questions. Pay attention to market cap, okay? Don't pay attention to this. VeChain, XLM, Anchor. Man, I got to give 2 more. I don't know. I'm done. Biggest indication end of cycle. Oh my goodness, I just said that 3 times, man. I'm sorry. I'm not going to answer that question again. When will Hex get its justice? Is a top performer, hands down. Let's see what it does in the bear market. That's when it'll get its justice. Lucas knows his stuff. Ben is a wannabe alpha. Yeah. Why is market cap so important? I mean, all right, think about this. If Shiba went to $1, its market cap would be greater than all of the assets in the world. So does market cap matter? Absolutely, it matters. BitBoy's a virgin. Going to start buying my daughter Litecoin. She's 4 months old. Instead of putting it in a piggy bank, I think crypto is the way. Yeah, I bought some Ethereum, some Bitcoin, some Litecoin for my kids. Jace, I don't mentor anyone. I would charge too much because I don't enjoy talking on the phone. Just, follow my live streams. I'm going to say when to exit. So $10 HBAR 2025 or so. Velo, don't know enough. Sorry. FTT price prediction much higher. I don't know though. Top price for Shiba about maybe a 3x from its all-time high. Pablo was wrong about Bitcoin going down to 20K mark. I liked him, but he keeps covering it up. That's for sure. And that's my biggest complaint about him. I know that admitting he was wrong would prove him unreliable. No, I think that would prove him reliable. Not admitting that he's wrong is proving him unreliable. I would stay away from Pablo because of that. So what are your thoughts about Pablo's fail? Listen, I am public enemy number 1 of Pablo. I have openly disagreed with him. How did you manage to build your wealth to where it is today? Did you start from zero? Had some help? I started from zero. I started a business. I started a social media marketing business. It did very well. I sold it to one of those viral websites, distractify.com. Turned that into another business, and here we go. PYR, don't know anything about PYR. Crypto Mason, he's the man. I like Crypto Mason. I mean, he can get philosophical or whatever, but I like Crypto Mason. XYM, I don't know about XYM. Will Bitcoin break 53K today? No. Did you invest? I'd pay for 5 kids' college if you did help me if I won the lotto. Okay, you know what, Sambo? If you win the lotto, and then I will be your personal, your concierge with cryptocurrencies. So sell tops on and buy dips on Bitcoin or just hodl? I would say hodl. Let's see. Did you invest in M content? Nope. And I am all in, so no, I'm not going to, but maybe in the bear market. Starting to gain some serious weight over there. Man, I am so fat. Shiba is never going to be a penny. Shiba is never, ever going to be a penny. I mentor you through TikTok. There we go. Ben is Class B citizens reading. Yeah, he does read a lot of skips. Yeah, what if we're all wrong? We could be. Listen, Joshua, I will turn on a dime if I see signs that we're all wrong. But so far, so good. Jerry, I see you. Indicators the bull run is coming to. Yeah, thank you. There we go. Thank you, Lucci. Bitcoin to 400K in March? No, that's too high. There we go. Yeah, let's extend that to any of us who win the lotto. More chances for you. Yeah, somebody win the lotto and then pay for my kids' college. I will be your lifetime mentor with crypto. Love your content. Thank you, Michaela. Rookie question, do you have to calculate in 40% capital gains on every trade? It counts as your income, but I'm not a tax professional. Do not ask me that question. But let's gain this weight. There we go. It counts as your income if you don't hold it for more than a year. So when do you think we're going to start pumping? I mean, we've been pumping, but I mean, October is going to be great. November is going to be great. And then December, I think, is when the media hype is going to be insane. So Elohim, I love you too. Does Polkadot have a chance to reach 200? I believe so, yes. 50K Bitcoin, there we go. How do you sell on Coinbase Pro to USDT or USDC? It goes back into US dollar. I think you can convert on Coinbase to USDT or USDC. Jace, thank you. Yeah, Jay says my kids are lucky to have such a future-minded parent, and you're planning to teach them to. My kids are lucky, and I hate to say that because I know that sounds arrogant. I'm just being factual. My kids are lucky to have me as a father. So a coin with potential 10x this year. Do you leverage trade or only spot? Only spot. Bro, tomorrow. Thank you, Joshua. When grandma understands Bitcoin and doesn't need to ask you about it, that's when mass adoption is here. There we go. Cryptocurrency looks good. Yes. A coin with 10x potential this year. Tether. Shiba Inu is crazy. It's pumping right now, but I don't. Okay. What do you think ETH will reach in bull run? $15,000. Is AMP market cap a good sign we're going to pump? AMP market cap? I don't know what you mean. So Ragsy agreed to go live with me. Okay. I mean, I'm live on YouTube right now. When I go live on YouTube, I'm not willing to go live with anyone else. But, you know, a time when I'm live only on TikTok. EGLD, Elrond, very bullish on Elrond. No price prediction, though. Is it a bear market coming? We're still in a bull. I think we're in a bull. Sold all my crypto. Sorry, man. Did you say Tether will 10x? I don't understand. I was joking. Thank you, Luke. I was joking. Michaela, okay. I get so tired of the 10x questions. What coin is going to 10x? And so that was a joke. Yeah, Tether won't 10x, obviously, you know. Just change your name to Lord Bitcoin. That's funny. All right, would FTM go anywhere? Oh, yeah, yeah. Thoughts about crypto ETFs? That's going to be insane, man. It's going to be insane. Do you see XRP going to 10K ever? No. Congrats on your 6K followers. Thank you. Really appreciate that. When could bear market come? I think early mid 2022 will be the beginning of the bear market. 100x. Yeah, Tether will 100x. That's a joke. DAI is the stablecoin to use on Coinbase. Okay. Yes, my kids are lucky to have me. I mean, I'm not a millionaire yet. I mean, all right, maybe if you count the valuation of my business, but all in Tether. There we go. Guys, Tether is going to 100x. How long would the bear market be? Probably till the next halving in 2024. It's different for each crypto though. VXV is going to be 10x by the end of the bull market. I hope you're right. I have VXV. USD coin has more potential than Tether. Bro, I own 2 NFTs and they're sucking. So I'm done with NFTs. I'm just excited to have what I have. VeChain thoughts, 50 cents. I talk a lot about VeChain, 50 cents this cycle. USD coin to the moon. Thank you, Luis. Love how straightforward you are and your honesty. Please don't change like all other influencers when you're famous. Man, I'm the next BitBoy Crypto. When I become famous, BitBoy Crypto, and I'm going to run for president. Not that he's going to run for president, but come on, World War Litecoin. I dropped a chunk in on Litecoin. What's your exit target? 4 figures. Andrew, all right, yeah, I'm still live. FTM, I don't have a price for FTM. So can HBAR reach $10 a cycle? No. Best to buy for 500. I'd throw it all in Ethereum. Most potential this cycle is some microcap coin that I've never heard of. Will Bitcoin retest 45 to 46K? I don't think so. Been killing it with Axie. What are your thoughts? Man, I saw a tweet. I need to look into it more. Boosifix. Oh, because all right, Boosifix. I'm not sorry. Everyone, like I get 100 questions a day about what's the next 10x coin. There's going to be plenty of 10x's. Okay. I'm just so tired of that question because that kind of mentality, you will end up losing money in the long run if you have that kind of mentality. That's why. So Harmony One, I don't know. So, all right. So Axie Infinity, I saw a tweet suggesting that people like that kids drop out of college and play Axie Infinity for a year and they'll make insane amounts of money. And I've never played Axie Infinity. I don't know how much you can make, but if that's actually true, that's crazy. Quant's market cap is still only 3.6 billion. Yeah, it's going to go higher. Yeah. Smash up that like button on YouTube. Smash up the like button. And again, for those of you on TikTok, I'm live on YouTube. I can't answer every question on TikTok, but I can on YouTube. Is Litecoin pumping? I saw somebody say Litecoin's pumping. Sambo. Can Solana reach 1,000 this cycle? It can. I don't think so. Shiba is the highest growth right now. For today, for the last 24 hours, it's like cool, but still. What's up, Sebastian? Audience thoughts. The little that I know, it seems legit, but I don't know a ton. All right, yeah, Sambo, Litecoin pumping. Axie, I heard, is going to allow staking. Okay. Some altcoin you heard of but haven't looked at, Alex. Radix, there we go. Who knows about next live? I mean, I don't have much time. I'm probably not going to be able to go live tomorrow. I just want to warn you guys. I'm driving to another state tomorrow, so... Axie's prediction next bull run. I don't have a prediction for Axie. Tarkin, sorry. I'll try to be better. Thank you, Sebastian. Hi, do you predict 100 to 150K or more? I predict more. SPI, I'm just done. I'm just done with, you guys want me to check out coins and I'm like, I'm all in right now. I'm not buying any new crypto for the remainder of the run. So it's one of these things that I don't know what to say, man. It's like, I'll check those things out in the bear market, but not now. Opal, no, I haven't heard about that. Getting into NFTs last few months has been investing decision. Yeah, I'm jealous of you, Technically Fundamental. Ethereum exit price target 5 figures. Can we still stake it on Coinbase? I think you can with Ethereum. Yeah. SPI can 10x easily this year. Radix is my Ant shares of last bull run. Oh, Ant shares. Have you used any Bitcoin? I know a ton of people buying first class fights in Bitcoin. I'm not spending my Bitcoin. I'll spend my fiat, but not my Bitcoin. Next Bitcoin is Ocean Protocol. Okay. EGLD, don't have a price prediction for EGLD, but higher. Yeah, you can stake on Coinbase. Have you talked to CVO Crypto recently? I mean, the Telegram group that I'm in with him, he shared about how he got permanently banned from TikTok. So ALBT, don't know enough. End of year prediction to Cardano, $8 or so. I understand. I have no questions today. Just love the way you deal with haters. Thank you, Ray. Not live. Yeah, sorry, Jimmy. Not live tomorrow. Dogecoin thoughts. Doge to $1. I have not increased my quant holding. Yeah, I'm just. It's one of those things. It's like I'm in right now. So there's probably plenty of examples where I'll be kicking myself. Where can you buy cake and get it on PancakeSwap.finance? CVO got banned. I don't know. You know, he just got unlucky. People. I think he was talking about XRP the moment he got banned. Thoughts on Shiba Inu? I think it has room to go up still. I'm not a fan of Shiba Inu. Yeah, I can't win them all. E. Davidson, what's up? You probably already said hi to me, but what's up, E. Davidson? How do you like H-bar? You think it will dip? Not that much. I don't think it's going to dip all that much, but I do like H-bar, yeah. Bro, YouTube takes a fat cut. Is there another way you could get 100% of it? Venmo, AS Costa 5. AS Costa, A as in Apple, S as in Sam, Costa, my last name, 5 on Venmo. You could give me a tip. Cool was live today on TikTok. Cool, who's cool? I've heard a little bit of lossless. I don't know. What's Glassnode and why is it so expensive? It's the holy grail of thank you, Thomas, the holy grail of on-chain analytics. I mostly use on-chain analytics. And, you know, I dare you to find somebody who's been more accurate than I have over the last 3 months. I mean, you're not going to be able to. I mean, maybe as accurate, but not more accurate. And the reason why is because I use on-chain analytics. So, all right, holy Litecoin. What's going on with Litecoin? 172. I thought, I mean, you're getting excited. I thought I was going crazy. Oh, cool, not cool was live today. Okay. What's up with SHIB? It's pumping. I think it still has more. I think it still has more room to grow. How you like H-bar thing? Oh, I answered that. That's because China owns TikTok and CVO has been killing it. I guess so, Matt. Yeah. So they singled him out. On-chain analysis is world standard. Yeah. I like to think it's Shiba's turn to pump yesterday. Yeah. I mean, apparently there's a rumor about Shiba Inu that it's going to get listed on Robinhood, which trust me, man, I will call a truce with Shiba Inu and I will be a mega bull. I will be a mega bull if Shiba Inu gets listed on Robinhood. You know, picturing teenagers and 20-somethings having a new crypto to purchase on Robinhood that they see is worth fractions of a fraction of a penny. It's like, thank you, Autumn. Thank you so much. I really appreciate that. I did not expect that to happen. So, wow. And Brandon, I don't know who Brandon is, but you guys that's amazing. I'm blown away by that. So, man, maybe I'll put my Venmo in my profile. Yeah, bro. So I'm assuming you're Brandon. It worked. That's amazing, man. You will be a mod starting tomorrow. Actually, you know what? Let me see if I can just make you a mod now. Thank you, Autumn. I'm happy to help people. I don't want to mislead people, which is why, you know, I get stressed a lot thinking about, you know, not misleading anybody and not having bad information, you know? So I hope it works out well for all of us. That's the truth. You've been spot on. Thank you, Rel. Gain more weight. Yeah, let's all gain some weight together. How much to be a mod? Thomas, no payment. I don't know, man. I don't know. You want to send me something on Venmo? I'll make you a mod. So I will be talking about Holla tomorrow. So yeah, Robinhood just announced 24/7 phone support for Robinhood. I could see them launch SHIB wallets and phone support around the same time to keep gaining customers. Okay. Okay. And thank you, bro. Thanks for being a boss. Thank you, MX. You guys are really, you're too kind. Thoughts on selling portion of ADA, put an H bar in XRP. I don't think that's a bad idea. I just don't think ADA has much more room to go up. I mean, I've been saying $8. That's less than a 4X from here. If all goes well, taxes are going to suck. There we go. I guess that's a good thing. Take care, John. For those of you on TikTok again, Man Angry, thank you. I'm better with Bitcoin than those guys are. They're probably, Pablo's better with economics. BitBoy is better with altcoins that he's not pumping. But with Bitcoin, I just pay attention to Bitcoin considering everything else is going higher. So, or will go higher with Bitcoin. What will you do this bull run? Just watching on the sidelines, or will you be active? I'll be active. I'm going to buy some Riot blockchain puts. Buy some Riot blockchain puts after the peak, ride that down to the bear market bottom. So what will clearly indicate that the alt season is coming. Bagir, if you see Bitcoin peak, have a sharp peak, and then go flat after that for a week or two, alt season will be near. So Gabriel, thank you. See you later, bro Zients. Yes, put that Venmo up. You deserve. Thank you, Technically Fundamental. I will. Thanks to you, I paid tuition. Wow, that's crazy, man. If I sent you $500, what would you invest it in? Ethereum. See you later, bro. What coins should I invest into? Litecoin and Ethereum. Do you think Doge will hit $1 more? I think it'll hit $1. You think we'll get 17K with ETH this calendar year? Not this calendar year, I think in January, but not 17K. It's one of those. Thank you, Man Angry. And anyone else who said nice words to me, thank you. Thank you, Eric VA. 17, I mean, I think 15K. So Shafi, it certainly could. It certainly could go higher. So yeah, puts equals short. Yes. Follow me on TikTok. If you haven't followed me on TikTok yet, trust me. I'm underrated. There's people with much bigger followings than me who are garbage. I hate to say it like that. How do you feel about DraftKings NFTs? I'm very curious about that. I don't know anything about it. Ethereum with only $500? Yeah. I would buy something that can multiply faster with only $500. I don't, tinfoil shoe. This is how I roll, man. I say buy $500 Ethereum and then, keep on adding to your Ethereum stack or Bitcoin stack. But I understand. Man, Autumn, thank you so much. Please, yeah, recommend me to all your friends. Irving, thank you. Will Bitcoin go down now or to the moon? I think, all right, here's some perspective. Again, here's some perspective. I think it's very, very likely that Bitcoin's going to $100,000 by the end of the year. And I think more than that, okay? So if that's the case, Bitcoin will increase $500 a day. I really don't think, thank you, Bad District, that you should wait for a dip. Not right now. I don't. I understand tinfoil shoe. Just there's plenty of other people who will give you recommendations. So, sorry, I had to block somebody. Goodbye, Devin. Audio and video is fine for me. Yeah, I fixed my audio on YouTube. Do you have to report Venmo in your taxes? I don't think so. Oh, starting next year you do. Oh man, that stinks. At what price did you buy ETH? $300 or so. Rod, really appreciate that. Honest and good person. Do I know Phantom? I know Phantom. I know H-Bar better. I like H-Bar better. But Phantom has good marketing. Phantom's going to do well. Bye, Devin. What makes you super bullish on Bitcoin? I'm super bullish long term on Bitcoin. I mean, are you talking about just the fact that I think it's going over $100,000? I mean, that's just looking at the cycles. You've got to understand halving cycles. My GF has all her money in ADA, wants to sell it all and buy another crypto, smart or not. I wouldn't sell it all. I'm not going to say sell it all, but if she has all her money in ADA, yes, put some of it somewhere else. Still stacking Litecoin. All right. Oh, only if it's for a business, you have to report Venmo. Okay. $2,000 ETH doubled by November. Yeah. 1,700 Ethereum at $5. That's crazy. And I'm guessing you don't have 1,700 anymore. You probably wouldn't be on here if you had $1,700. You want to sell your Elongate. You lost money on Trust Wallet selling SafeMoon. I don't know what you're saying. I'm getting a phone call right now. Oh, you sold it like $12. Oh man, that's why I'm a buyer and holder. Who's calling me? Oh, my mother-in-law is calling me. Sorry guys, I have to answer this call from my mother-in-law. Thank you, Nick Lopez. Hello? Yeah. Did you order ham in this order? Yes. They substituted it. Is that okay? Yeah, for other ham? Yeah. Yes, that's fine. It's the same brand, same 97%. It's just that it's soaked and not just for yeah, it's fine. Okay, let it check. Okay, bye. Bye. Okay, I'm back. Bitcoin looking really good right now. 51K soon. Yes. I put in $100, went up to $10,000 profit, then crash. Didn't know how to take profits now at 417. I'm not sure what you're talking about, but yeah, you got to take profits. Oh man. Let's see. Where is all this money coming from? Lonnie, $93 million increases the price of Bitcoin 1%. It's actually less than $93 million right now. I know that you're thinking, all right, $200,000 for Bitcoin puts it a little under $4 trillion market cap. You're thinking that we need to inject $3 trillion into Bitcoin, and we don't. That's not how it works, okay? Pancho, I made a video on Litecoin. I agree that it's not that great of a cryptocurrency, but I made a TikTok on it, and you can see it. It's pinned on my profile because I get questions like that all the time. All right, amp to $1 currently at 5 cents. Put $500 turns into 10,000. On paper, that'll be true, Gabriel, but you're not going to be able to time that peak. SHIB is not going to a penny. SHIB's not going to a penny. Hex, I don't know what to say about Hex. I don't know. Do you think exchanges will lock up when crypto goes to all-time high this quarter? At times they will. Yeah, unfortunately. Bear market top 3 buys. Solana, Quant, maybe Internet Computer. As much as I hate Internet Computer. Nick Lopez, if you're still around, thank you, man. I saw that you sent me $10 on Venmo. Really appreciate that, man. So I'm cash poor and I need to pay my rent. And I don't want to sell crypto, so that's going to help. PPT, I don't know anything about PPT. All right, do you think exchanges will lock up when crypto goes to all-time high? Oh yeah, I answered that. Phantom, I don't have a Phantom prediction. Bye, Devin. Amp to $1, I answered that one, Gabriel. Quant or Litecoin end of the year. I don't have a quant prediction. I'm still saying $1,500 for Litecoin by January. Yeah, January, memester man. Aren't we all cash poor right now? That's for sure. Is SHIB the next Doge? It could be, but it's never going to be worth Like one SHIB is never going to be worth as much as one Doge will be worth. There's 3,000 SHIB in existence for every one Doge. Yeah, thanks, Nick. I saw that. Thank you. Thanks a lot. What time will you be live tomorrow? Alex, I'm sorry. I will not be live tomorrow. So I'm driving to another state. Come on, Bitcoin. I'm seeing it pump right now. $50,609. That's great. Can check on Bosun. Oh man, Ruben, I would love to. I get so many requests, and it's one of those things that I'm all in and I don't have the time. Will government shutdown affect crypto? No. They'll raise the debt ceiling. How much SHIB would have to be burned for it to go to 1 cent? Too much. All right, let's do some math here. Let's say that SHIB's market cap goes up to $1 trillion, which is insane to me. But SHIB's market cap at $1 trillion, for it to be a penny, that means there would have to be 100 trillion SHIB in existence. There's much more than that in existence right now. They'd have to burn, I want to say like 75% of their supply, but how are they going to do that? You know, how are they going to do that? Because people are holding their SHIB. So will you not stack up on more Ethereum and Bitcoin during the bear market? No, I will, Frank. Somebody asked me, aside from Bitcoin and Ethereum, what will I stack up on? But Solana and Quant, yeah. Yeah. Her streaming isn't working. Why did you name yourself World War Bitcoin? Charty Bacardi, just wait and see. You know, I before I came up with the name, I was going to write a book called World War Bitcoin because governments are asleep at the wheel, and they don't know what's coming. And once they realize how much of a disruptor Bitcoin is, they're not going to be happy about it, and they're going to declare war, and they're not going to win. Woosa, okay. SHIB to $1 in 10 years? No. Phantom price prediction. Higher, I don't have one. Grabbed a Litecoin bag, excellent. Mother-in-law can't watch her streams. Huh? Okay. Yeah, Rod, they have to burn 99% of Shiba into supplies to go to 1 cent. Yeah. Did you watch the ETH live last night? I did not, no. Constellation is better than Solana. Okay. Do you hate HBAR? No, I love HBAR. What app or site do you use? I use Voyager. Download the Voyager app. Use my referral code ALE749. You get $25 of free Bitcoin and you skip the waiting list. $100 into Quant or Bitcoin. If you don't own any Bitcoin at all, you need to get some Bitcoin. If you own Bitcoin already, get some Quant. Tron prediction higher. I don't like Tron though. If Shiba is not a good coin, what in your opinion is the next big money coin? I don't know. I really don't know. I mean, Quant, there's only 14 million Quant in existence. I think it's going to be 5 figures one day, this decade. So, but you got to be patient. Would ETH 2.0 be a buy the rumor, sell the news? No. That is different. I mean, they're going to do away with mining forever. They're mining, so they currently mine about a little under 13,000 ETH a day. And that's going to be a little under 1,300 ETH in rewards. That's a happening on steroids. So yeah, I need to mention SATs. Yes. Smash the likes. Should I pull out of all my long hold stocks for Bitcoin? No. Which coins will you sell out at 100% in the cycle? Everything but Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. And I'm stuck with my Hex. So Hex. I don't know what to say about Hex. Still, I'm not sure. Is Hex a scam? Is it not? I don't know. And I will choose to remain ignorant on it. So yeah, Frank, I answered that. Make 1K off of OMI and put it in USDT. Think it would be wise to grab some more Litecoin. Renaissance, man, here's my strategy from now on. Anytime I take profits, I'm keeping it in stable coins. And I'm going to stake it for the 9%, 12%, whatever percent returns. I don't know anything about 0x. What's the Bitcoin top in December? I think $200,000. So the Voyager promo code ALE749. A is in Apple, L is in Larry, E is an elephant, 749. You get $25 of free Bitcoin. You skip the waiting list. Is AMP going to hit $1 Q4? I think $1 Q1. Used to hold that. Oh yeah, I think at one point Robinhood halted selling Doge. You think it can happen again when prices go parabolic? Oh yeah. Robinhood freezes at the worst possible time. But lots of places freeze. Yeah, thank you. ALE 749. Cardano $8. Polymath, don't know enough. Chainlink is a long-term hold for me. I love Chainlink. Am I still a believer in ADA? Was I ever really a believer in ADA? I mean, it's not a top 10. It might not even be top 20 for me, but I still think it's going to $8. So Cody, don't know enough, sorry. Do you really think we won't be able to buy Bitcoin or ETH due to supply, this bear market coming? I think that you're going to have trouble. I think that like if you wanted to buy a whole Bitcoin. So you specifically as an individual might not have trouble buying Bitcoin, but institutions are going to have a ton of trouble buying Bitcoin. Like $93 million. I mean, that's like pocket change for a lot of these institutions. $93 million moves Bitcoin 1% higher. So what happens when they want to put $1 billion in or more than that? That's going to be rough. Thoughts on SHIB? I think SHIB has more room to grow. I'm not a fan of it though. Here it's going to be the new way of currency soon. Doing away with the free dollar, buying, etc. The government is concerned about this booming platform of new currency they can't control. Yeah, they should be concerned if they're interested in self-interest. You know, if they're interested in self-interest. Yeah, they should be more concerned than they are right now. Smiles, I know it's controversial. Good to see you, man. I will be selling all of my quant this cycle. AMP's not dead, no. XLM, I love XLM, $2 to $3. HBAR, $2. What's up, Nicholas Baxter? Cool. UFO, don't know anything about a crypto. Is that a crypto UFO? When you dumping your SHIB? I don't know. I'm definitely dumping it. Maybe in January. Yeah, which ones will you sell out 100% in the cycle? I answered that. Everything but Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance, Chainlink, and HBAR. SXP prediction. Don't know. Favorite platforms to buy crypto on? I have 9 different platforms. My favorite's Voyager. I like crypto.com. Miota, I don't know anything about that. Why are you selling quant? Yeah, man, every time I say something, I know I'm going to have to explain myself. When I say that I'm bullish on Litecoin, I know I'm going to have to explain myself. So why am I selling quant? Because I want to see what quant looks like in a bear market. I want to see what quant looks like in a bear market. So I think it'll go through a bear market just like everything else. Everyone buys Shiba. Bitcoin, 200,000 end of the year. When you dump, boss, I'm a dump too. All right, Nicholas Baxter. Quant does what quant does. Yeah, when to sell quant? I don't know. October's a bull month. November's a bull month. December's a bull month. Bitcoin at 55K only. Who said that? Yeah, I'm going to sell all my Solana. I did not say Bitcoin at 55K. How long will the bull market run? I think Bitcoin's going to peak in December and alts in January. I want to get on my SHIB. I can't because gas fees too high on Coinbase wallet. Really? Try transferring it to another platform like Voyager. Do you have anything against Coinbase? I mean, their fees are high, but I don't mind Coinbase. Litecoin, $1,500. Yeah, I'm very, very bullish on Litecoin, and I get a lot of heat for that. Bought quant around 60. Should I sell and rebuy my position? Cheez-Its, I would recommend taking out your initial investment. My average Litecoin buy price, it's not much higher, much lower than where it is now. You know, I'm, what was it? I mean, under $100. So am I expecting a dip soon? I'm not. Buy cake. I have $60,000 of cake. I think I'm good. Oh, Voyager, not available in New York. Oh, man, New York's the worst. What's the lowest fee way to fund your exchange? Oh, man, I don't know. I'm sorry. I don't know. See, here's my, oh, here we go. What's so great about Litecoin? Nope. I'm not a fan of Litecoin as a cryptocurrency, but I'm looking at the charts. I'm looking at the charts, people. Oh man, watch my pinned video on TikTok. I can't wait until this run is over and I have to stop defending Litecoin. Much love to all of you guys. So, all right, yeah, JBY, my referral code ALE749. A is in Apple, L is in Larry, E is in Elephant 749. Boss man is the man. I always listen to him. You're the man, Nicholas Baxter. Got my last $1,900. I'm buying H-bar. Need more weight. Yeah, I got to gain that weight. How's the KuCoin platform? I know that it has great options. Somebody in here already complained that KuCoin's fees are really high. Yeah, I think Litecoin at $1,500. What will you buy in the bear market? I'm going to buy a lot of Solana. I'm going to buy a lot of Quant. Ooh, guys, I'm going to buy a lot of Doge. I am going to buy a lot of Doge because Doge is very easy to get in without worrying. Like it's going to bottom out and then it's going to just flatline. And so I'm going to buy like probably, Jose, you need to deposit $100 or something like that. I'm probably going to buy Doge in June of 2024, something like that. Crypto Weatherman has a very bearish outlook right now. Listen, Crypto Weatherman is great for what he does. He does 7-day predictions. He looks at technical analysis, 23 different indicators. You know, I hate to say it like this. I've been more accurate on a macro scale than Crypto Weatherman has since July. Before then, when we disagreed, he was very often right. So on a weekly scale, I don't do weekly stuff. He's a better trader than I am. I don't trade. But I'm not bearish like Crypto Weatherman. All right, Alex, question, have 20K of ADA and 20K of Matic at this point. Do you have any suggestions if I should unload and put into something else? That's all you have, Todd? Man, I'd recommend some Ethereum. So see you, Luis. 2 a.m. Oh my goodness. Singapore. Wow. Do you think Doge has a future? I don't think Doge is ever going to die. Yeah, Pat Clash. Yes, you're absolutely right. He has reasons to be bearish. I've been bearish since 2010. So how's that worked out for me? How's that worked out for me being bearish since 2010? Overall bearish. And not on crypto, but like on the global economy. If you had 50K to spend on crypto, how would you use it? 35% Ethereum, 25% Bitcoin, spread the rest out. Chainlink, HBAR, Theta, Maker, Matic, XRP, Cardano, Solana, Polkadot, etc., etc. I lost a lot. I missed out on making a lot of money. So, yeah, Riddens, thank you. Hold ADA, sell half Matic. Or maybe the other way around. How high you think AMP will go? $1? Pat Clash, I would love for the bubble to pop, but hopefully not in the next 3 months. Were you serious about buying Doge in the bear market? Yeah, Autumn. I mean, man, Doge is one of the easiest ones to buy because, I mean, picture this, you know, it's not going to go up and down like this in the bear market. It's going to go like this. And so, and it's going to be very low. Like I think Doge will bottom out somewhere like around 3 to 5 cents in the bear market. And then at the very least in 2024, 2025, get back to its all-time highs. What is that? You know, let's say it bottoms out at 4 cents and gets up to 76 cents. That's a 15x, not a 15x. Sorry, I'm blanking. That's a 19x. But maybe it'll go to $2, $3 next bull run. So man, yeah, I'm going to buy a lot of Doge in the bear market. And oh my goodness, you sold it at 130. You sold 130,000 Doge in October. Oh man, you need some sleep. I always need some sleep, Rashid. I have 5 kids. What do you think about VXV? I'm bullish on VXV. That is absolutely not a long-term hold for me. So Quant has 14 million, but should we worry about ETH and Bitcoin supply crunch? I mean, one day you're going to have to worry about a quant supply crunch. Absolutely. So can your mother-in-law message you like the rest of us? Oh man, I get it. Thoughts on Doge supply? I mean, it sounds scary. It sounds scary. Look at my video, Nathan Sanders, about Litecoin. It's pinned on my TikTok. It sounds scary when you say that 10,000 new Doges mined per minute. But it's one of those things. So there's 130 billion Doge in existence. They add about 5 billion a year. So that means there's going to be 150 billion Doge in 2024, something like that. It's like, that's okay. It's not ideal, but what is that? Like a 18% increase in the supply. There's been worse. There's been worse than that. So, it's been doing that forever. I know Shiba's a meme coin. What's your opinion on that coin? I hate Shiba. So do you put any crypto in cold storage for your kids? Not yet, but I will. I mean, I have crypto for, my kids own crypto. I've been putting my Biden bucks to crypto. Solana peaked this bull run, yeah, $600 or so. Sister got 2 billion Shiba. Okay. You're welcome, Kayla. Curious, what are your goals with investing in crypto? To make money, but I'm gonna convert a fair amount of it to real estate. So maker price by December. How about January? I think $30,000. Shiba's not a meme coin anymore. Shiba's a meme coin. LMAO. All right. It got listed on Coinbase and soon on Robinhood. That doesn't not make it a meme coin. Doge is a meme coin. If your goal is to make money, why do you hate Shiba? XRP, when you think the case will be done, I have no idea, Rel. I don't have a prediction. What platform is the best for staking on PancakeSwap Finance? That is the platform, Jimmy, pancakeswap.finance. VXV is not a long-term hold for me, no. So would you start moving crypto to market wallets? I have most in cold storage. I just like staking, I like staking. And so I get great returns on staking. You can't stake in cold storage. It's not a meme, guys. Shiba Inu's not a meme coin. When will this bear market happen? 2022. Do you think Doge is a meme, even though meme coins can make millionaires? What's its function? It has no function. What kind of returns are you getting for staking? For Cake, it's like 80%. For Binance, it's 20%. Ask my inside sources say that the XRP case is going to end in September, and XRP will be $4 by the end of September 2021. See a coin, don't know enough. What app's good to buy Bitcoin? Voyager. Use my referral code ALE749. You get $25 of free Bitcoin and skip the waiting list. Doge function is for tipping. Yeah. Best exchange to stake in. I love PancakeSwap. I feel like another test of a bottom before we pop off. I don't. Where can you get pancakeswap.finance? Like, that's the website, pancakeswap.finance. So, want me to mod on TikTok for the referral code? Yeah, that'd be great, Nicholas. I appreciate that. I am strapped in for the rocket ride. Holochain 1020x, something like that. Thorchain has been hacked 3 times. I do not care about potential performance. That is enough for me to not buy Thorchain. 30K, want to invest in crypto, but also my landscaping business. Your advice? I would say, if you asked me that question in 2020, I would say invest in crypto. You're asking me that question in 2021. I don't think there's going to be a big pullback soon. We are very close to the end of the run. I would say invest in your landscape business. So when do you think the bottom of the bear market, 2022 or 2023? Will you enter in DCA? How will you enter in the bear market? I'm making a course right now. It's different for each crypto. It's different for each crypto. So I think Bitcoin is going to take about a year from its peak. Ethereum is going to be very interesting. Ethereum is going to throw a wrench into it. So I don't use margin loans, no. I could see Doge getting big with Lightning Network and tipping on Twitter. That would be cool, yeah. Thoughts on Ecomi and price stop? Higher, but I don't have a price stop for Ecomi. Will Bitcoin drop to 42K tomorrow? I don't think so. Looking for advice on Anchor. Hold your anchor. What's up, Smoke Sun? PFPs. OP. Okay. My YouTube mic is fixed. I fixed it last night. Do you think Shiba can hit a penny? No. 3,000 Shiba Inu in existence for every one Doge. Remember that. There is 3,000 Shiba for every one Doge. What's the problem with margin accounts? It's just crypto itself is enough of a gamble. I don't want margin accounts. I have no problem. I mean, you do margin accounts, it's fine. You know, you can lose all your money, but that's fine. See a coin, I don't know enough. Mina, I haven't checked Mina in a while. That's probably a good bear market purchase. I'm not going to buy any now. Celsius platform, fantastic. 469, it'll do well for Mina. So VLX, I don't know anything about that. Knowledge or die. Did you not hear what I just said? Just think logically, okay? I never said that Doge wouldn't hit a penny. I know that some people said that. But again, 3,000 Shiba for every one Doge. That's unbelievable. I can't believe you're... Thoughts on NFTs? NFTs are here to stay. I mean, some of them are going to be worthless one day. I think that we're a little bubbly, or a lot bubbly. I think we're close to the end of the bull run. I think 3 to 4 months, yeah, we're going to be at the end of the bull run. XEC, nothing, I don't know. Bitcoin Latinum coming out in 2 weeks. I don't really pay attention. Aren't they burning Shiba coins? They're not going to be able to burn. They're not going to be able to get that anywhere near a 1-to-1. There's no way. I mean, people will lose their coins. They'll forget about them. They may get somewhere near. I mean, even for them to burn 99% of their coins, that's still not getting it anywhere near Doge. So thank you, Ashish. Making cash online with ammo. I have answered you twice already. I don't know anything about Sia Coin. I'm sorry, guys. And thank you, Ashish. I'm sorry for getting a little ornery right now. I've been on for 2 hours. I'm not going to be live tomorrow. I might be live on TikTok Thursday, but not on YouTube because I'm going to be out of town. So, big bag Litecoin. There we go. When will ETH start taking off more? Man, ETH is doing great. Just zoom out. Buddy, man. Yeah, do I have any other job besides crypto, TikTok, YouTube? Yeah. I mean, this isn't really, I don't make enough money through TikTok and crypto and YouTube and stuff like that. I make money through crypto, but I'm self-employed. I have a grocery distribution business. So thoughts on Eng? Don't know enough. Sorry. And it's taken me a while to answer that question. Sorry about that. 5:30 a.m. in Sydney. Wow. Almost 500 trillion Shiba coins out there and more in total supply, so it's not going to go places. Yep. Can you still buy a physical Bitcoin? A physical Bitcoin? No. All right. Is Shiba Doge the elephant in the room? Yeah, I don't have a Neo prediction. Sorry, Maker prediction again. 30,000. Really, I really believe that. Knowledge or die. You know what? If Shiba ever hits a penny, a loaf of bread is going to cost like $1,000. So, you know what I'll have to say? I'll have to say, man, I wish that the US government and other governments around the world didn't inject all that currency. That's what I'll have to say. All that fiat into the system. Will it be possible to buy your guide in Portugal? I think so, Pedro. Seem a real Bitcoin? I'm not, I think, yeah. All right, Mandy. Also, I hear the government creating their own form of crypto, a new coin currency. I heard on the news. Biden also hinting of dire consequences near. Okay, yeah, we'll see. I don't understand meme coins at all. Oh man, I've been on for more than 2 hours now. I'm sorry. I would love to go longer. I don't have the energy. So much love to you all. I'm gonna be done. Ashish, let's see. I'm gonna answer Ashish's question. 2013 cycle, Bitcoin hit 1,000% from mid-cycle correction. In 2017, it was around 500. So another half. So maybe like 250% from its mid-cycle correction. That would be, that wouldn't be all that much. We'll see. Thank you, Technically Fundamental. Mandy, I don't know if they're ever going to stop printing money. So it seems that's not something that a Democratic president would do. All right. Cheers to you. Yeah, I'm not going to, buddy man, I'm not going to be online on tomorrow. I will be traveling. So thank you all. Thank you so much. Follow me on TikTok. Those of you who haven't followed me on TikTok, subscribe to my YouTube channel. And, follow me on Twitter, WWBitcoin. Yeah, it's far too broken to stop printing. Yeah. Thank you all.